You don't have to be a chef to make great food. As long as you have a passion for all that's good and great people to share it with, you're good to go. A lot of legendary cuisine was built on the foundation of love, and love is why I do this. I want to share my knowledge so that you can take it with you and make it yours. In turn, I hope that you can make good memories for the people you care about. So get out there, have fun in the kitchen, have no fear, and most importantly, live.
It seems a little strange, but I just can't explain why I'm tearing out a page and then I'm sending it out over the ocean. And I've been feeling down lately, ever since I met you, baby. People say I'm acting crazy. They say that I'm over emotional. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong. Well, now everybody says it's funny, but I can't say it seems very funny to me. People come and go, and I know now that you know. Set the noises in my throat. Say I'll take however long that it takes me. I can't understand why I need to be your man. I had the perfect plan, but right now I guess it all escapes me. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong. Well, now everybody says it's funny, but I can't say it seems very funny to me.
Take another one. You haven't even had one glass of
Your
wine.
HD didn't pick that up. Okay.
These are huge. Could you make them a bit bigger?
You'll say yeah. Of course. I might have trouble eating them.
These are really good. It has that slight bitterness like you get from a dark chocolate, right? And they're just soft and just wonderful. You did good.
Thank you. You can vary the sweetness. Personally, I like dark chocolate, and I don't like it too sweet. If you prefer more sweetness, you can certainly add more maple syrup or jaggery.
Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
So that's our recipe for today. Take it home, make it yours, have fun in the kitchen, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So until next time, take care. Bye for now.
Lots of words.